If you want to turn off or disable Find My iPhone on your device, you might have your reasons, such as selling your device or simply not needing the feature anymore. Disabling this feature is straightforward but requires you to know your Apple ID password. Here's how you can do it. Solution 1. Turn off Find My iPhone via Settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen, tap on Find My iPhone, toggle the switch next to Find My iPhone to the off position. Enter your Apple ID password when prompted to confirm the action. Tap Turn Off to finalize disabling the feature. Solution 2. Turn off Find My iPhone via iCloud website. Open a web browser on your computer and go to the iCloud website. Log in with your Apple ID and password and select your iPhone. Click on Remove from Account to disable Find My iPhone for the specific device. By following these steps, you should be able to turn off or disable Find My iPhone. Remember that turning off this feature will prevent you from locating your device if it's lost or stolen, so make sure to consider your options carefully. If you need further assistance, feel free to reach out to Apple support for guidance.